Hey, it's Mega Brown Girl, and this is our first pasture, and it just quit raining. Come on, lad. Come on, big girl. Come on. Come on, lad. Anyways, it's very deep. Very deep. Woo! That's Lala. No. Hey, no bite. Come on. So anyway, that's all flooded, and then it's a little bit flooded over there. There's a bunch of water there, and all around, there's a bunch over there. Okay, let's go. Come on, lad. Come on, lad. Woo! Woo! Hey, lad. Woo! That's a crazy one. That's a crazy one. Woo! Alright, I guess that's all for now. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Look how pretty that is. There was like a river here. It was cool. Bye.